Hi, I'm Helen and I'm here at Yealm Kitchens in Newton Ferrers, and today I'm going to be showing you videos on this IQ 700 series range here. This demo is about using Cool Start, which is a unique function to Siemens in the single oven. These are some leek and bacon bites that I'm making. Lovely, easy recipe to make. Just some ready roll pastry, which I've just cut into 8 squares, and I'm just spreading on a mixture of cream cheese, cooked bacon and leek. And these will go into the oven. I'm actually going to be using this on the Cool Start setting in the lovely IQ 700 single oven. When time is short and you don't want to wait around for your oven to heat up, we have this amazing Cool Start feature on these beautiful studio line ovens. Cool Start there, so there's no preheating. So if you come in late and you want to put your pizza in straight from the freezer, just go for the highest temperature and do the cooking time that it says on the packaging. I've actually got some beautiful leek and bacon tarts that I've made, and we can just set it there to say Cool Start. I want it on for 200. I'm just checking my recipe, 12 minutes of cooking. So I'll use the cooking time for this and just put it on for 12 minutes, and then we can just press start. Right, the time is gone, so the Cool Start is finished. Remember, it was just straight from cold, and we have these beautiful bacon and leek tarts, beautifully cooked. I'm just going to top those now with a few extra little crumbs of bacon